Welcome to Lincoln Electric's ARC Resource Center, just outside of Verona, Italy, where today we are hosting the Lincoln Electric Pipeline Seminar for the European region. My name is Sam Phillips. I'm the Global Segment Director for Energy for Lincoln Electric, and today we are going to talk about industry trends, as well as some of the solutions and products that we offer. Those include long stick-out, field STT, our orbital welding products and solutions, as well as HyperFill STT and pipe.
Hi, my name is Paul McPherson from Operations Manager from CRC Evans, based in Kintore in Scotland. Really enjoyed the seminar today. Very well laid out, very informative, fantastic information and superb demonstrations from all the equipment and all the people that operating the equipment.
We are Kapka. We are a really pipeline company. We are very interested in your equipment and your machine. For this reason, we decided to join this event.
Particularly interested in the HyperFill STT. Obviously, we're doing some work in Kintore for a project. Hopefully, we're going to get awarded. So it's very interesting for us to see that and witness it, because we're looking to demonstrate that ourselves and do some R&D development on that in the coming months.
Total integrated solution that can cover all needs that we have on project. For us, for example, it's very interesting about the solution for the records, for the sort of integrated data log in the power source.
This event is a great occasion to mutually share knowledge with our customers, but most importantly, truly understand their needs and challenges.